In this video, we're going to talk about some important question sets of CBSE Class 10 Science. Question 1. List any two properties of the elements belonging to the first group of the modern periodic table. We know that there are 18 groups on the periodic table as shown in the diagram. They all have distinct names and properties. The first column of the periodic table is the alkali metals. It consists of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Well, here hydrogen is often placed in the same column, but it is not an alkali metal. In fact, hydrogen is unique and is alone in its own family. Now, the two properties of the elements belonging to the first group of the modern periodic table are alkali metals are soft metals. They also have low melting point. Now, these are quite different from other metals present in other groups. That is, they are very quite hard and that they have high melting point. What is a gene? So, a gene is a region of DNA that encodes function. A chromosome consists of a long strand of DNA containing many genes. So, a human chromosome can have up to 500 million pairs of DNA with thousands of genes, while organisms inherit their genes from their parents. There are two types of organisms, that is like asexuals and sexual organisms. So, asexual organisms simply inherit a complete copy of their parents' genomes, while sexual organisms have two copies of each chromosome because they inherit one complete set from each parent. Question 3. Give one example each from your daily life where the domestic waste can be effectively reused and recycled. So, as me myself, I use a lot of paper, and now that it have been piled up on my room, I cannot just let it burn, as it will cause an environmentally issues. Now, in India, paper production usually utilizes nearly 40% of world commercial cut timber. Now, millions of acres of forests are being destroyed, leading to deforestation and disturbing the ecological balance. So the only best way to reduce these environmental issues is by recycling and reusing the paper, as it has a number of benefits, which saves waste papers, trees, and also environment that we live on. Question 4. What is the main difference between sperms and eggs of humans? Write the importance of this difference. Now, a sex chromosome is a type of chromosomes that participates in sex determinations. Humans and other mammals have two sex chromosomes, that is the X and Y. Females usually have two sets of chromosomes in their cells, and that they are XX, while males have both the X and Y chromosomes in their cell. So, in structures, X cells are one of the largest cells in the female body. Now, they are very visible to the naked eye, and also they are round in shape and has a large amount of cytoplasm. On the other hand, sperm cells are complete opposite of the egg cells. The sperm is one of the smallest cells in the male body and are made up of small nucleus with a small amount of cytoplasm and some mitochondria and a long tail. They have a straight shape compared to the round one of the egg cell, as shown in the diagram. Moving to question 5, list two possible ways in which a concave mirror can produce a magnified image of an object placed in front of it. So the two possible ways in which a concave mirror can produce a magnified image of an object placed in front of it are within its pole and its focus, and in between its focus and its center of curvature. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.